guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all a tutorial on this look right here, and you may notice the title, it's like a model off duty. No, I don't model or whatever, but I love keeping up with like the Instagram models and stuff like that, and I guess like the real models. But yeah, I've just like taken a lot of notes from like their street style, and just when they're out and about, you know, it's like a really common style nowadays. This is just meant to be like a natural glowy makeup look. Keep in mind they're not makeup artists, like they don't really practice doing their makeup all day, so anyone can really recreate this look. I swear it's probably my simplest tutorial ever, and yeah, you end up looking kind of like really fresh faced, and it's a really good like daytime look or like every day. If you want to see how I created this look, then just continue watching. Before the video started, I put on some corrective concealer, and I really recommend this because we're just going to be using a tinted moisturizer for the base. So it's super thin, so if you don't want any of your imperfections peeking out, I really recommend putting on a little bit of concealer first. A really good technique is just stippling it on into your skin because it really provides a little bit more coverage. And then we're just going to be highlighting with some concealer. You may have not saw this before, but I actually blend out my concealer with a foundation brush, and I just think this really prevents it from creasing and provides more coverage. Next, just go in with your favorite translucent powder and place that wherever you put the concealer. This will just prevent it from creasing. Most models don't really do like the full Instagram brow, so I'm just combing mine out with a spoolie and then using the pencil end, and I'm just filling out the beginning of my eyebrow because I want it to like look a little bit longer, and then any areas that are sparse. But yeah, I find that if you curve your eyebrows in a little bit more, it makes them look arched. This next technique is probably my favorite. So you basically just want to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush and put your contour on with that. I like making myself look like I have more rounded cheekbones. I don't know, it just really intensifies the look. And make sure you blend this out with a fluffy brush to perfection, because if not, it'll look a little bit wacky. And then under my lips, I go in with the contour powder, and then I just apply a little bit of a glowy blush. Models don't really wear a ton of blush, but it makes you look a little bit more alive. Then I just use highlighter drops, which look a lot more natural than just the powder, and you want to do that on your cheekbones, your nose, and your cupid's bow. You can also place it under your brow bone. I'm not going to be wearing a ton of eyeshadow, so I just went ahead and did this step, and it really just makes your eyebrows look a little bit more arched as well. For eyeshadow, I'm just going in with that same contour shade and applying it messily to my crease, and then in the outer corner I'm going in with a darker shade, and you really want to just focus it right there because it'll angle your eyes a little bit more upwards and also kind of enhance your facial structure. If you want to make the look a little bit less natural, just apply some like liner in your waterline. And then I'm putting on my new lipstick, and it's by the Sephora collection, and I'm actually really surprised with how well I like it. It's super glossy and just nude. Spray your favorite setting spray, and then the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. All my social media will be linked down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all my social media. They're linked down below. As always, if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.